must have known that we were coming back today because they got LSU colors in their little flowers. Purple and gold, baby.
Oh yeah, we were back at Magic Kingdom.
If we're not bleeding black and gold, we're bleeding purple and gold. But anyway you cut it, there's some gold in the mix.
That is right. I have on my my ears, my I'll show you the sign. And here we leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. So these are some of my favorite ears. Okay, it's dark right here.
Dreams come true.
It's rainy today, so we did something we don't normally do.
Dream a little dream for me.
We slept in because we got up this morning. It was literally pouring. I was like, there's just no point. Because we knew it was going to stop around 10 o'clock. It actually stopped earlier than 10 o'clock. So we slept in a little bit, got up, and we're here.
Temperature's good.
Yeah.
T-shirts, jeans. You
Yeah.
could wear shorts.
Yeah, you could. Now,
We didn't bring any shorts. I brought a pair of swim trunks, which are hybrids.
Yeah, he could wear
Technically, I could wear those. But we've been comfortable, and the weather's been stellar. If this is the only day of rain we get, we've gotten lucky.
It's
in
the only
Florida.
day on the schedule for rain, yeah. So yeah, we've done good.
You know, you get a lot less rain in the winter.
You definitely
in
do.
Florida.
Most definitely.
Based on our experience and what we've seen.
Well, the temperature is supposed to peak out at 70 today, and then
There's
it's
a lot of water on the ground.
and then it's going to start dropping after that. So by tonight,
Hopefully it's a little bit windy, so it'll dry some of the water and stuff up off the ground.
yeah. So by tonight it'll be down to 69. I mean 59.
Yeah,
59.
it's gonna drop again, so we brought us some flannels.
Yeah, we put a long
Button
sleeve
up
in the
on.
bag.
No jackets, because we didn't really want to carry any jackets.
Just
Even
a
though
long
I got a
sleeve
little
shirt.
puffer jacket that can pop in there, but it just kind of fills up the backpack a little bit, so I think we should be comfortable with that.
So we are heading to Big Thunder Mountain because that's our first fast pass of the day.
Yeah.
Everyone obviously has an aversion to the rain. This is the lightest I've seen the crowd levels all week.
Especially in a Magic Kingdom to boot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely manageable and easy. I mean, you gotta watch where you're walking. If you just look away for a second, you're gonna run into somebody.
We've had little
It's
kids
been that
run into
busy.
us many times.
Yeah, just boom. And, but now it's like, you can walk down the middle of the pathway and still have plenty of room.
Yeah.
I like this much better.
I wish the crowd level was always about like this. That would be lovely. Big Thunder Mountain. Let's go check in for our fast pass. Back this time. So that's the very, very front last time. We're in the very back this time.
I like the back.
I like the back too.
Maybe got back.
It's so humid today. I'm like sweating to death already.
It's gonna be humid, like we were.
Because it
thought was gonna
rained
happen earlier.
and it's warm
Already
and it's
starting
like
to go to sweat, and the heat hadn't even started yet. Crazy weather here.
it is. This is the craziest January
Wish I
weather I've
would've
ever
worn shorts
seen.
today. I'll have to run back and get the hybrids.
Train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses,
Gotta secure all of our stuff.
this year's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
We're off. We're in the back. Watch your hat, baby. Your hat will blow off.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Going Top Gun style.
Okay, that works. Oh, that breeze.
Be the goose to your Maverick.
Oh, thank you, honey. Oh, that breeze is amazing.
The only thing better than coffee anymore is coffee.
It's only a 5-minute wait for Splash Mountain. So guess what we're gonna ride?
You know, all it takes is a little bit of humidity to change our minds about Splash Mountain.
Yeah. We were like, no, we're not doing Splash Mountain on this trip.
So what if we get wet?
But we are gonna ask for the back row because we don't want to get drenched.
I'm feeling rebel.
You're feeling rebel?
Feeling rebel.
All right. So this is pretty cool. They give you a Ziploc bag that says have a zippity doo-dah day and keep dry to put your camera in while you're on Splash Mountain. That's neat. Literally are walking on, like, look, we're here already. There was no stopping, it was just walking straight up here. Okay, we're gonna ask for the back row though so we don't get completely drenched. Too wet?
It's pretty wet. Well, I guess we're committing.
Yep, we're committing to this. We're climbing up.
I think you get wetter in the front row.
Oh, you definitely get wetter in the front
Where's the
row
back
on the
row?
splash. Down. Beef jerky on Splash Mountain.
Beef jerky goes good with anything.
You better turn that
Anywhere.
hat back around.
Well, when we get ready to go down, I guess I can do it now.
I don't want you to forget and lose your hat.
Breakfast for champions.
Breakfast of Champions, beef jerky. Needle drop.
Slip and falls. Baby drop.
Baby drop.
Baby drop. The front didn't get baby drops of water.
No, baby drop.
I got a little belly washer. It's still dry. They're not following the rules. He said no fishing back there, and they're all fishing.
To the big drop. You ready for this?
I might even have to take my hat off for this.
I would take it off. I would take it off and hold
This is
it.
a pretty intense little drop.
It is. Okay, I'm fixing to put this little baggie over the camera so it don't get wet.
Please don't forget
Yeah, well, not getting wet didn't work out for me.
My butt's wet.
I didn't really get that bad whip. I got it right here on my side.
That was
This
fun.
side is like,
Well, it keeps splashing like and landing on the seat, so it's soaking my pants.
soggy bottom.
Yeah,
Good little drop.
that is fun. Oh.
I'm getting wet. Can you go, please?
We're stopped. Did it get you?
A little bit, little miss, few drops.
There's Jason decided to do the praying hands again. That was fun. Okay, let's inspect the damage. Let's inspect the damage. You got a little bit on your butt. Your shoulder's wet.
Well, here's where I got wet.
Yeah, you got wet there.
Lisa got
Me, I got
a big old wet spot on her left booty cheek.
I got so
Can't see it right
here.
there. Yep, see it? She got wet.
I got just a few splashes here and there, a little bit in my hair, but it's my butt that got wet. Okay, Ziploc. Your bags don't open. We had to rip the bag open.
Yeah. We thought it was cool. They gave us a bag, but it didn't open.
Okay.
And it has a little zipper on it. And Lisa goes, I can't get it open. I said, well, you unzip the zipper. She goes, I
tried that.
And so we tried it every which way, and I ended up having to tear it.
Neither one of us, and it wasn't just our bag. Somebody else made the same comment, so. But hey, it kept my camera dry. It's not usable again, though.
Always check proof before you put something out there, make sure it works.
All right, so that's 2 mountains down. Now we have a fast pass for Haunted Mansion. There we go. Hey, so remember, when you get hot, go in any quick service place and get ice water for free. And Pecos Bills had like a tray of cups and water just sitting there, so all you had to do was grab and go.
Yeah, most places don't do that. You just have to say, can I get a cup of water, please?
Yep. But they have to serve fountain drinks. If they only have bottled drinks,
make sure you tell them a cup, because if not, they'll give you a bottle and charge you for it.
$4. So, we're hydrating as we walk to Haunted Mansion. Welcome, foolish mortals. It's time for the Haunted Mansion. Where's the horse?
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please. Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
He will do that. He'll totally do that. You don't have your glasses on.
I don't think we're supposed to put them on just yet.
Oh, well, I would have put mine on.
A little early.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,